So in this video is for all NEET aspirants, especially NEET 2021 aspirants, because your exam is going to be in next 5 months. It is coming close, right? This question a lot of students ask me on phone, sir, how frequently we should write mock tests? I want to answer this question. I think this is a very important question. I want to give my perspective about this whole thing, and hopefully it would be clear to you. If you find it logical, follow it. If you think an old man is talking to me about these things, there are funkier things available, I should not follow this advice, that is perfectly okay. Ignore what I'm saying. First thing that you need to understand is you can't treat mock tests as a compulsion. Don't feel burdened by it. Don't feel burdened by it. In my mind, mock test is your great friend. Why? It helps you know your preparation level. It helps you identify your weak areas. There is nothing else which would help you do this. This is the only thing which will give you confidence, right? If you're performing well, even if you're not performing well, you identify your weak areas, fix them, next mock test your mark score. That is the thing that gives you confidence. I've told this thing to you a lot of times, right? My recommendation, and I will tell you what the logic is. Till April 15th, you should write, till April 15th, you should write one mock test every 15 days. And from April 15th, one mock test every week, right? So that is why 1 till 15th April, then 22nd and 29th April, let's say. And after that, one every week. So this total is 15. That's all. You will hear a lot of people, you should write 100 mock tests by NEET exam. I completely disagree. And I'll tell you why. Think about it like this. Mock test 1, mock test 2. Before mock test, you have to do revision, right? Okay. And before revision, you have to complete the syllabus, correct? And from this mock test 1, you will identify your weak areas that you have to fix, right? And additionally, for this mock test, you have to again complete syllabus and you have to revise, right? If you would logically think about this, you can't write mock tests every 1 day, 2 day, 3 day and do all of this stuff. Before mock test, complete syllabus, revise. After mock test, identify your weak area that you have to fix before next mock test. And for that mock test also complete syllabus and revise. Mock tests are very, very important, but you have to treat them with proper seriousness. Otherwise, if you're just writing mock tests, your score will not improve. You will be stuck at one point. So this is one thing that you need to understand. Second thing that you need to understand is mock test serves 3 purposes. It builds up speed, it gives you the reason to revise, and it helps you identify weak areas. If you are writing mock tests every 2 days, you are only doing this. Somehow you think that you will not be able to complete the paper because you have to attempt 180 questions in 180 minutes. You are just focusing on this. But this will not happen if you are writing mock tests every 2 days. It is perfectly useless in my mind if you write mock tests every 2 days because you are not getting time to fix your weak areas, you are not getting time to complete the syllabus of the next test, and then every test you will be stuck at the same score. What is the benefit of writing the mock test then? The other problem that happens with a lot of you is you have joined a lot of test series. Now NTA Abhyas tests are also available. Now the challenge that is there is you think that all of these things are available. You have to attempt all of these things. No, your time is very valuable. Even if you have spent money in a lot of test series, I would recommend that don't write more than this many mock tests, 15 mock tests. And I've told you in each month how many tests you have to write, right? Because you have to do all of this stuff. Mock test is not only about building speed, it is also about revision before the mock test. It is also about identifying weak areas and fixing them before the next mock test. So this is my recommendation. 15 mock tests till June end, not more than that. In my mind, that is enough. We had 1100 selections from our platform in this year's NEET. 1100 selections in government medical colleges. So I know what I'm talking about. I talk to a lot of students expect me to guide them on this matter. This is an important question. What is the frequency of writing mock tests? I've answered this question in this video. If you find this logical, follow this. Don't get into the noise around you. Don't get into the noise which is coming out of a lot of YouTube videos. Think logically. Whatever you find logical, I've given you my logic. I'm just not saying this out of thin air. I've given you my logic. If you find this logic useful, if you find this logical, start following it and you will be comfortable. Tell me in the comment section whether you have understood this or not. If you have any other question, write in the comment section and I will try and answer them. But this is an important question and I wanted to make sure that I answer this question and I provide my recommendation. All right, students.